In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use EOMONTH in Google Sheets on your desktop, which helps you calculate the last day of a month for a given date. This function is perfect for month-end reporting, invoicing cycles, or anytime you need the exact final date of a month without doing the math yourself. Start by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser so you have the full toolbar and keyboard shortcuts available. Once the sheet is open, click the cell where you want the result to appear. Picking a clean results cell keeps your original dates intact and makes your sheet easier to read. Now type the formula exactly like this. EOMONTH, start date, months. The equals sign tells Sheets you're entering a formula. EOMONTH is the function name, and it takes two inputs. Next, replace start date with the cell that contains your date. For example, if your date is in A2, you'd use A2 here. Referencing a cell keeps your formula dynamic, so if the date in A2 changes, your month-end result updates automatically. Make sure that cell is a valid date, not text that just looks like a date. Then replace months with the number of months you want to move. Use 0 to get the end of the same month as your start date, a positive number to move forward, and a negative number to move backward. For instance, with a start date in A2, EOMONTH A20 returns the last day of that same month. EOMONTH A21 returns the last day of the next month, and EOMONTH A201 gives you the last day of the previous month. The function automatically handles different month lengths and leap years, so February and months with 30 or 31 days are accounted for without any extra work. Finally, press Enter to calculate. You should see the last day of the resulting month appear in the cell. Google Sheets typically formats this as a date, and from there you can use the result in other formulas, like adding days, building month-end ranges, or comparing deadlines. If you run into unexpected results, double-check that your start date cell is truly a date value, and that the month's argument is a whole number. A quick sanity check is to test with month set to 0 or 1 and confirm the month-end aligns with your calendar. And that's it. With a single formula, EOMONTH gives you accurate month-end dates you can rely on throughout your spreadsheet.